Ever wondered what's really going on under the hood of your car? Or maybe you're tired of those mysterious check engine lights that pop up, leaving you clueless. Well, today we're diving deep into a tool that can shed light on all those automotive mysteries, the THINKOBD100 OBD2 Scanner. Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today we're diving into a really useful tool for any car owner or mechanic, the THINKOBD100 OBD2 Scanner. Whether you're looking to troubleshoot check engine lights, diagnose car issues on your own, or simply understand what's happening under your car's hood, this little device has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at what makes the THINKOBD100 such a powerful and affordable tool. Overview and design. The THINKOBD100 is designed to be a lightweight, portable diagnostic tool, fitting easily into your hand or glove compartment. It's small but sturdy, and features a bright, easy-to-read screen with a simple button layout that makes navigation a breeze. You've got all the essential function buttons right here, making it super user-friendly. Features and functionality. Now let's talk about what the THINKOBD100 can actually do. First off, it supports all OBD2 protocols, which means it's compatible with most cars manufactured after 1996. That includes both gas and diesel engines in the United States, as well as most cars globally. Some of its key features include reading and clearing codes. This scanner lets you read and clear error codes related to your vehicle's engine, transmission, emission system, and more. If your check engine light is on, it'll help you pinpoint the issue fast. Live data stream. One of the coolest features is the ability to view live data, so you can see real-time information like fuel trim, engine temperature, RPMs, and much more. Freeze frame data. You can capture a snapshot of your car's data at the moment a trouble code was triggered, giving you insight into what might have caused the problem. IM readiness. Check. This feature is great for preparing for emissions tests. It shows whether your car's emission system is ready for inspection, saving you a trip to the inspection center if there are any issues. Setting it up. Setting up the THINKOBD100 is as simple as it gets. Just locate your car's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug in the scanner and it'll automatically power on. The scanner will walk you through a simple menu, and within seconds, you'll be able to access all the diagnostic information you need. How to use it. Navigating the THINKOBD100 is very intuitive. You've got 4 main buttons. Enter button. This selects the option you're currently on. Back button. This takes you back to the previous menu. Up and down arrows. These help you scroll through options on each menu. Once you're in the main menu, you'll see options like read codes, erase codes, and live data. Just select what you want and the THINKOBD100 does the rest. Price and value. The THINKOBD100 OBD2 scanner is also budget-friendly, typically priced under $50, which is a fantastic deal for all the functionality it provides. Many scanners with these features go for much more, so it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Pros and cons. Before we wrap up, let's go over some quick pros and cons to help you decide if this scanner is right for you. Pros. Compact and easy to use. Supports all OBD2 protocols. Offers live data and freeze frame data. Budget-friendly cons. Limited to basic diagnostics, so it may not cover every system in your car. No wireless capability or advanced app integration, which some pricier models offer. But overall, the THINKOBD100 is an excellent choice for anyone wanting a reliable, easy-to-use scanner without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.